Having issues after the Instagram update. Auto scroll not working, some features missing. Let me show you how to fix it quickly. After the latest Instagram update, many users are having problems like feed not loading, story not showing, app slowing down, auto scroll not working. Let's fix them now. Go to your phone settings. Now scroll down. Click app option. Click on Instagram. Scroll down. Now click storage. Clear caches. Clear data. Click delete. This simple step fix most problem. Okay, now follow my step 2. Check for updates from the Play Store. Search Instagram app. If the app is already updated and still not working, uninstall it and install it again. That refresh everything. That's it. Your Instagram solved or fine now. If it's still not fixed, comment below. I will try to help. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Fixed Activity for more helpful tech tips.